Yo, it's good. So hopefully this microphone is good. I got a wired pair now. I just found this in the house. As you might know, I lost my old pair and I had a dongle on it, so I had an adapter to my phone, so I could connect to my audio jack on here and I could connect to my lightning on here. So yeah, I can't connect these to this, my phone. So what's the solution to that? You have two pairs of wired headphones. You carry that shit around everywhere. Boom. That's what you call thinking outside the box. Instead of thinking outside the box, you gotta think inside the box. So thinking inside the box, you take two pairs of headphones everywhere you go. Boom. But yeah, let me just do the market recap. I don't know what's going on. But no trades, got pretty close. And now when looking back, there could have been a potential setup if I was like, but like according to my plans, it's not a good trade. But honestly, like now looking at it in the like in hindsight, it looks pretty good. I'm not sure if this is gonna work or not, bro. But I got connection to the Wi-Fi. They made the wrong decision with that, bro. All I was doing was just freaking doing all my tasks. Like, bro, yeah, it's not good, bro. I'm not a good worker, bro. I'm not, but I'm never gonna, bro. I don't even know. Can this shit load already, bro? Oh my god. But let me explain to you some emotions during this time. So because I saw some potential good setups, because I saw like something looked good, I was having the hope in the back of my mind that the setup would play out, that my point of interest would get hit, and that I would be able to take a trade. Because yesterday I took a decent win. Oh, also that trade hit full take profit. It hit like during middle of the session today. So it was like, I mean, I guess it's good that I held it because I got like a bit extra. But yeah, did this load yet? Okay, yeah. So here 4 hour was okay. So now just going over the market today. On the GBP JPY, the 4 hour was still bullish from the previous day, so that was kind of what caused me to want to close my previous position, but I didn't, and we ended up hitting that take profit, and we kept on pushing a bit lower, so maybe could have targeted these lows instead, but bro, that's like kind of insane risk reward. So and that's like kind of like a longer term trade, because that would have been from like past day here to down here, and that would have been a pretty long trade. But yeah, so with the 30-minute, because we were bullish, I was looking for the low skid taken, but because we took out the London highs, there wasn't really a clear take or target, so didn't really decide on, didn't enter off of this break of structure to the upside here, because again, didn't have the proper target. We did have NY highs here, but I feel like that's not really like the best thing to take, so I didn't enter off of that, and yeah, we ended up hitting the take profit on the other trade, so pretty good. Now, Euro USD, well, these kids are weird, bro. So Euro USD, the 4 hour was bearish. What? Okay. Anyways, 4 hour was bearish as we had inversed these. What am I even saying? We inversed these gaps. We closed below this low as well. So yeah, I mean we did close above this high, confirming at 7 a.m. But yeah, bro. What, dude? This is actually. So yeah, with the bearish mindset, this looked very good, and like I was hopeful, bro. I was actually like kind of like, yo, this might actually be like a really good trade to take. We might just take out the London highs and start moving to the downside, but we never ended up actually taking out the London highs. But here's something to notice: we took out the London highs pre-market. Now for me, usually what I do is if it's 30 minutes before, then I'm willing to look for continuation confluence and then enter. But this was at 5, so I wasn't willing to enter off that. But maybe I should extend that time period a little bit. But I feel like with this is like manipulate. Like I don't want to be manipulated, So I feel like this is too early into market open to actually, like too early in pre-market to actually enter off of that for NY session. So yeah, I didn't take this, but it was really nice. We took out the Asian lows. That would have been a pretty nice trade, and that kind of caused me to feel a bit bummy about myself. See, it froze, bro. But that kind of caused me to feel a bit bummy about myself. I was feeling like, I was like, bro, if I was smarter, I would have taken that. But at the end of the day, I followed my plan, which is what matters, and I shouldn't be focused on like missed opportunity. I mean, like I should be focused on them. I should be able to learn, but it's like, I don't even know. Now GBP USD, a very similar thing, except this one got pretty like much closer to the London high than the Euro USD. But we never ended up actually taking out the London high, and that kind of bummed me because, bro, with Euro USD and GBP USD, I was like, bro, I'm gonna get like 2 good quality subs to take today, and none of them ended up playing out. So what are some things to improve on? Just when I see a setup, don't don't have the hope to take the trade. Don't have the expectation that I'll be able to find something. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. But pimple patches are actually like magical, bro. I had a huge pimple here, and it's just gone now. But my acne is getting way too bad. But yeah. Yo, I just realized this car apparently has auto windshield wipers, which is pretty cool. Like, there's a thing that says auto on the windshield stock. So maybe we should try that out. I've always wanted to, so I don't really know how I'm going to try this. Okay, boom. So we're going to put the cap. thing here. Oh wait, it's gonna. Okay, hopefully this doesn't fall. So if I open this now, according to my hypothesis, wait. So this is auto. Boom. So this should be auto. So if I spray water onto the windshield wiper should theoretically go on. We're gonna do that now. Oh, yo, that's cool. That's cool. Yo, I look like a complete idiot right now. Yo, I want to try that again. So it's like raining, and boom, it turns on. I'm not doing anything. Yo, that's cool. Yo, also also like the toilet in the thing was cooked. Like some kid broke the thing off. That was pretty funny, but bro, what am I doing? I'm gonna go home. I'm pretty hungry. Goodbye.